Good morning. I'm Dr. Marianne Gale from New South Wales Health with the COVID-19 update for today, Friday, the 4th of March. In terms of vaccination across New South Wales, more than 95% of people aged 16 years and over have received a first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, and 94.4% have received 2 doses. Of children aged 12 to 15, 83.6% have received a first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, and 79% have received 2 doses. Of children aged 5 to 11, 47.7% have received a first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. Of people in New South Wales aged 16 years and over, 55.1% have received a booster dose. And I'd like to remind everybody how important that booster dose is, and I'd strongly encourage anyone, as soon as you're eligible for a booster dose, to please go out and get your booster dose. And that is 3 months after you've had your second dose. And for people who've had COVID and recovered from COVID, also the booster dose is really important, even if you have had COVID. In terms of COVID case numbers, there were 9,466 positive test results notified to 4 p.m. yesterday, and this includes 3,416 positive PCR tests and 6,050 positive rapid antigen tests. Currently, there are 1,000 COVID-19 cases admitted to hospital, including 42 people in intensive care, 18 of whom require ventilation. Sadly, New South Wales Health is today reporting the deaths of 2 men with COVID-19, and I express my sincere sympathies to the families and friends of those 2 people who have passed away. As you'll be aware, masks are now only mandated on public transport, planes, at airports, hospital and aged and disability care homes, correctional facilities, and indoor music festivals with more than 1,000 people. However, New South Wales Health strongly encourages masks to still be used in indoor settings, especially when you're not able to maintain a safe physical distance from other people. Please be mindful that if you or a loved one feel unwell at any time with COVID symptoms, please isolate. And particularly if you are at risk of having a serious illness, so if you have a chronic illness or you have a weakened immune system or you are older in age, please do get a test promptly. And we're particularly keen for you to get a PCR test. And getting a test is really important to make sure that we can link you to care and make sure that you can access any treatments that you might be eligible for. So thank you again, everybody, for your continued efforts to stay safe, to get vaccinated, and to help continue to limit the spread of COVID-19 in New South Wales. Thank you.